Hello dear students. Today in this video we will be going to study about the next conversion process, which is known as sublimation. Like we are studying about the conversion process, that means changing from one state to another. Like we have studied about melting, that it means when a solid changes into the liquid state, it is considered as the melting process. So the next condition which we are going to study is about sublimation. So sublimation is the transition of a substance directly from the solid to the gaseous state without passing through the liquid state. It means sublimation process in which solid state directly changes into the gaseous state on heating without coming to the liquid state, or you can also consider it on cooling when gaseous state directly changes into the solid state. This process is also known as sublimation process, and the substance which gets changes from solid to directly to the gaseous state, they are considered as the sublime substance. For example, like ammonium chloride, camphor, etc. Like you all have seen, as soon as you will light the camphor is in solid state. As soon as you will light, it will directly changes into the gaseous state. And also the example which you have seen in your daily life about the naphthalene balls. You have seen that along with the woolen clothes it has been kept, and if you will see that naphthalene balls, they are of having a smaller size, but after few weeks if you will see, you will see that there will be a gradual decrease in the size. Now, how the size decreases? Because naphthalene is also a sublimable substance. As soon as, because naphthalene is in solid state, and within few weeks you will see that the size gets decreases because the naphthalene gets sublime. It means it will has been changes from the solid state directly to the gaseous state without coming to the liquid state. So naphthalene is also an example of sublimation process. Let us understand the sublimation process with the help of an activity. So here if you will see in this activity, there are you can say the apparatus which has been used. They are in the downside, there is a burner and there is a tripod stand which has been taken, so that the china dish, if you will see this, a china dish has been taken which has been kept on a tripod stand, and on the china dish ammonium chloride has been taken. Just now you have seen an example of sublimation. I have given ammonium chloride. So ammonium chloride crystal has been taken on a china dish, and on the china dish a glass funnel has been put inverted. You can see in this activity the diagram that I have kept, and on the you can say on the stem of the inverted tube there is a cotton plug has been put. As soon as you will lit the burner, the heat has been started transferring, and the ammonium chloride is a sublimable substance, so it will from the solid state it will get vaporizes or it will changes into the gaseous state. It means from the solid it directly changes into the gaseous state, which is considered as a sublimation process because it is not coming in the liquid state. As soon as the vapor rises, as soon as then it has been undergoes changes from the vapor, or you can say from the gaseous state to the solid state. It means here if you will see on the neck, you can say ammonium chloride has been solidified and has been collected. So it means from the solid state it has been changes to the gaseous state, and directly from the gaseous state it has been changes into the solid state. So there is this process of conversion from solid to directly to gaseous state without coming to the liquid state. It is considered as sublimation process. Hope you all understand about the sublimation process.